In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your JD Sports gift card balance. Let's get started with this simple process that will only take a few moments of your time. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top, type in JD Sports, and hit enter. This will take you to the search results page where you'll find various links related to JD Sports. It's crucial to ensure that you are heading to the official JD Sports website to avoid any potential phishing sites. Now, from the search results, look for the correct link, which should clearly indicate the official JD Sports website. Typically, it will be one of the top results and should read something like JD Sports official site. Click on this link to be directed to JD Sports homepage. You might notice that the site loads with vibrant images and promotions. This is normal and part of the site's design to showcase their latest offerings. Once you're on the homepage of JD Sports, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a variety of links in the footer section. Look for the one labeled Gift Cards. Clicking on this will take you to the section dedicated to gift cards. This step is important because it directs you to the specific part of the site where you can manage and check your gift card details. With the gift cards page open, you'll see an area labeled Check Your Balance. Here is where you'll need to enter your gift card information. Have your JD Sports gift card handy. You will need the gift card number and the PIN, which are typically found on the back of the card. Carefully input these details into the respective fields on the web page. Double-check to ensure the numbers are entered correctly, as any small mistake could result in an error message. After entering your gift card number and PIN, the next step is to click the button that says Check Balance. Once you click this button, the system will process the information you have provided. It may take a moment, but you will soon see your remaining balance displayed on the screen. This is a straightforward step, but very important as it gives you the current value available on your gift card. Knowing your gift card balance is especially useful before making any purchases. It ensures that you can plan your shopping better and avoid any surprises at checkout. If you encounter any issues or errors during this process, make sure to double-check the information entered or consider reaching out to JD Sports customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help resolve any potential issues with your gift card. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to checking your JD Sports gift card balance. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your gift card funds, ensuring you get the most out of your shopping experience. Remember to check your balance regularly, especially if you frequently use your gift card, to always stay informed about your available funds. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping at JD Sports.